Hi, I'm John McGuire. I'm the product manager for the Global Search Group, and I'm going to take you through some of the changes and updates that we're trying to do in 13.4. So the first one that we noticed that when we have some Markdown rendering in the search results, it can create a significant number of database queries. So we're going to try to do a couple things to resolve this, ultimately remove some of the Markdown. We may even remove all of the Markdown to a search result. All of those features that are really enable Markdown, you should be able to see on the resulting page anyway, but it should create a significant improvement in our performance. And the next item we're going to be looking at is kind of a traditional search question that dates back for a very long time. Should we use and or? And there is a lot of debate on what we would use, and versus or. We are starting to look at this right now. We're currently defaulting to and. If we move to or, one of the things that we're going to need to do is, really make sure that we're giving the right type of rank, because you're going to get a lot more results back, and that really is going to require a better rank. So we may try this, and then we may actually change it back if we don't see the results that we want. As we add more features in the future, it'll be easier to and really important to actually move to using or, so that we don't miss the opportunity of returning everything that the user may want to see and then letting them kind of filter out what they don't want. The next thing I'm really excited about, we're going to start updating the user interface. Now, this hasn't really been updated in, I think, 2 years. But we have a lot of modernization to search that we want to plan. We're going to start iterating on this in 13.4. So we're going to have a new result view. We're at least going to target issues, and we may add merge requests to that as well. But the new result view will be a little bit cleaner. We'll be able to have more results on the page. It'll be more rich with the type of content that we'll be able to add. And this will also give us room to grow additional features in the future. One of those type of features we're looking at right now, and we do want to do something with this in 13.4, but it may be an iteration of it, is to add the ability to filter out issue searches and merge requests by their status. So if the state is open, closed, merged, we want to give the user control of actually determining what they have showing at any particular time. Sometimes it's not helpful to have a bunch of issues that are listed, or merge requests that are merged already, or issues that are already closed. So you should be able to filter those out, but we don't want to prevent them from showing up. So we do want to make sure we continue to include them, but let the user determine if they want to filter those out or not. And finally, the other thing, which I think is a long time coming, is the ability to sort. So to each user, at each time you're actually going through and looking for an issue or a merge request, we have some rank in there, and the rank is going to try to say, this is what I think is the most important. But the sort is really going to give the user the control of saying, I want to see the most frequent things. I realize that some of these ranks are maybe the most accurate, but what I really need is the newest thing that's out there, or the thing that's most recently updated. So we're going to be adding sort into, the plan would be at least issues, and we hope merge request as well. But eventually you want to add all these features across all of the different scopes that you can do. Okay, that is our preview of what we're looking at for 13.4.